Hello, this is Brian Lyle with Silver, and today we're going to be talking about how to check your meta titles and descriptions on your website. Creating page titles and page descriptions, also known as meta titles and meta descriptions, are fundamental optimization tactics that significantly impact your ranking on search engines like Google, Bing, and others. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Firefox browser on an Apple computer to understand what page titles and descriptions are incorporated into your web pages. Let's begin by opening up Firefox to get started. First, we're going to set up our ability to view the meta titles. Open up Firefox, click on View, open Toolbars, go to Customize Toolbars, make sure the title bar button on the bottom of the screen is clicked. Once clicked, the title bar will then show up at the top of your screen. For those of you who have a WordPress website, the default meta title will be the name of your page. Once you set this up, you will now see your page title at the top of your website. Next, we're going to be viewing the meta descriptions. To see your page description, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-U to pull up the source code. Next, we're going to click Ctrl-F to bring up the search bar in the top right corner. Type description in the search bar, which will then highlight the description in the code. It is recommended that these descriptions are roughly 160 characters or less. It should also note that it is important that your meta descriptions be keyword relevant to the pages of content and the location of your practice. Now, when we go back to our search engine like Google and search for our website, you will see the meta title set up in blue, and underneath it will be the meta description that we just created. It is possible that Google will automatically alter the meta description to try to better align to what they believe the searcher was intending to search for. If this happens, I recommend going back and altering your meta title and description until it shows up on the search results. If you have a WordPress website, it is possible that it will also automatically fill in your meta description if you don't create one within WordPress yourself. The key point to remember is that meta descriptions serve as a brief, relevant summary of the page's content, aiming to be persuasive pitches that convince users the page matches their search intent perfectly. These two elements will significantly improve the search engine optimization of your website and click-through rates. Thank you.